Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Philips ladies trimmer. So essentially it's calling Philips Satinelli. Yeah. Epilation made easy, smooth skin for weeks. So basically this is not the trimmer, this is a complete hair remover, especially made for the ladies. And seems to be it's waterproof, not sure, let's see. I guess it's only for combs. And yeah, it's power coded, not the battery powered. And yeah, this made in Bosnia. Yeah, pretty much it's coming from Bosnia. Yeah, let's get this unboxed now. Unbox this. Okay. What we can see there. This is charger. Bunch of paperworks. And the trimmer. The thing is, we have the cleaning comb. Yeah, so I'll give this side. We have the Philips warranty, extra warranty, and bunch of paperworks. Yeah, with multiple languages. Yeah, and yeah, seems like this is power cord. This is the power cord. 7.5 wattage with 124 voltage range. Made in China. Yeah, seems to be it's the lengthy cord. Wow. Yeah, it's I guess 1.5 meter or 1 meter, maybe. Yeah, so pretty much like since this is the hard coded, the power coded, the coded power, so you may have to plug this into power while you are using the device. And because of this lengthy cord, like I think it's pretty much easier for you. Like obviously the power outlet and the mirror is not closer in your bathroom, I guess. Yeah, that's there. And we have the cleaning comb, and we have the cutting head. Yeah, so I guess this is how we have to clean the comb. Yeah, we have some gear mechanism there. Let's get the gears out. Yeah, we have to plug this. Yeah, it's not heavy, it's light, and yeah, you can grab this with your full hand. How to plug this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. So let get this power up. Okay. Yeah, how this works. We have two power. Yeah, that's nice. It's 5.4 watt motor powered. It's simply easy to remove from the device, and you just unplug this from the device, and yeah, you can wash it out once you've done your job. So, and let's see how it works. Oh, really? I don't like this. It needs removing the hair. The hair. Yeah, nice device. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so yeah, let's wrap this thing. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and put big thumbs up, and see you soon with my next video.